big barn wedding, and I'm like, oh, can I write the menu? Can I do the food? They're like,
Doesn't go. So it does.
really? But they asked does she know you're Rachel Wayne? I know. And they asked my husband to write the cocktail. Talk about insult. No. Do you know when it came to my wedding, my husband and my mother were there the whole thing. I just showed up. I was so happy. I was like, day off. I'm not cooking.
And you loved every bit of it.
Oh, I loved it. It was fabulous. I want to be involved.
Hey, Kat, I'm taping. You usually stop when I'm trying to tape.
Yeah. I just wrote it so very well.
Porch issue is a special issue. We've talked about this in years past. Gail always looks lovely. She looks especially beautiful today. Yes. She is wearing yes.
This cat is going to be 6 at the end of the year.
Adam created this collection.
He thinks he's still a kitten.
Skirt, but this isn't what you made to go with this top. Audience.
And yeah, if you touch his tail, he goes berserker. Actually.
Now it's very cute with the easy pants there. So I love a jogger.
Get it?
You're gonna love these joggers.
Dude, I love joggers.
You're gonna love these.
Yeah, exactly. But I just said this. Oprah and I normally don't go around dressing alike, as you might expect. That picture is actually a little creepy. Exactly. But that was on the Girlfriend Getaway Cruise. So we were doing the OG Chronicles. So we were doing a special edition. And so we decided, well, you know, she had that on, then I ran and put it on. I thought she'd say, take it off. I don't want to do that. But I thought it was cute.
She was going.
She would, yeah. She was going to. So that was just a special thing. We don't ever dress alike.
But we dress for success.
Yes.
I'm practicing to work at the kitty strip club.
And I donate a ton of our wardrobe from here.
Get on their feet and give them economic independence. And we've been working with them for 4 years. And Talbot's, the proceeds go directly to Dress for Success, or you can donate as you have your gently worn work clothes directly to them.
Like, they're literally worn a couple of hours here. In my real life, I wear track pants and sneakers and, you know, one step up from pajamas.
Now he's cleaning
So
his
when we
tail.
give to Dress for Success, I'm psyched because the stuff, some of it still has the tag on it.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? It's cool. And I feel like, you know, I'd like to think I'm not a vain person. If I brush my teeth, I put my moisturizer on, I try and avoid mirrors.
Yeah.
I mean, professionals are in charge of your hair and your
Now he's gone.